Crys Cymru wedi arwyddo gan y tîm a llawer mwy os ydych chi eisiau mynd draw i ardal W er mwyn prynu'r ticedi. Mae modd I chi talu gyda cardyn neu cash. So if you want to go over to the WU trailer to buy the raffle ticket, all proceeds go towards Ukraine charities. You've got a chance to win a signed ball by Dan Bigger or a Welsh jersey signed by the team. If you go over to the trailer, the W trailer, you can buy the tickets there.
Heads up, we've got to get the ball now and score ourselves. Come on. Make our tackle, St. John's.
Which one was your boy for Cardiff High?
They're kicking to us now, so spread.
Yeah, his name was. He didn't score. No, he didn't score. Well, the winner scored all the times. We're going to go 3 very good, 4 tiny players. Tom's a good coach. Yeah.
Go, quick ball, quick ball, quick! Go! Right, boys, three in the front, 10 minutes, David!
Gai ofyn I ysgol Triol cyn I ffordd I cael saith ysgol Cymraeg. Triol, can you please make your way to pitch number 7? Your game is about to start. Gai ofyn I Beisleg a Gwent East Coed, please enter for I Kai Owen. Beisleg and Gwent East Coed schools, please make your way to pitch number 8.
the Amazon though, T41.
Fydd gymenus yn cael ei chwarae am 20 munud wedi 11. The next games will be played at 11:20. Os gall yr ysgolion canlynol wedi ffordd i'r caeau yn barod I ddechrau ysgol cynnar, can I ask that all the bowling teams make their way through the pitches ready to start the games, please? Ar Caerdydd 1, pitch number 1, mae gyda ni Caerdydd yn erbyn Pen-y-Dre, Caerdydd against Pen-y-Dre. Caerdydd 2, pitch number 2, Llanhari yn erbyn St Richard Gwyn. Caerdydd 3, pitch number 3, Llanysyn yn erbyn Ysgolfera. Cae 4, pitch number 4, Cwm Bran yn erbyn Crug Hywel. Cae 5, pitch number 5, Eglwys Newydd, Whitchurch yn erbyn Bro Dyr. Cae 6, pitch number 6, Isglwyn yn erbyn Cas Bant. Cae 7, pitch number 7, Gorgelyn Mynwy yn erbyn Cardiff West. Cae 8, pitch number 8, Pwllbwrdd yn erbyn Bro Dinefwr. Cae 9, pitch number 9, Garth Olwg yn erbyn Ysgol y Pant. Cae 10, pitch 10, Ysgol Dwyrain yn erbyn Fitzallen. Cae 11, pitch 11, Stanwell yn erbyn Rhydwain. Cae 12, pitch 12, Ysgol Ystradau yn erbyn Gelli Haf. Please neud eich ffordd i'r caeau yn barod I ddechrau ysgol cynnar. Please make your way to the pitches ready to start.